How to delete all blocked contacts on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Phone and tap on it. You are now in the Phone Settings page. You can also customize your outgoing call settings. On this page, scroll down to the end and go to Blocked Contacts. You can view all your blocked contacts and emails over here. Now, go back and open up the Phone application. Go to the Contacts section and then tap on the contact you blocked. On this page, scroll down and tap on Unblock Caller if you want to unblock them. If you want to delete this contact instead, go to the top right corner and tap on Edit. Here, scroll down to the end and tap on Delete Contact. Tap on Delete Contact again to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily delete all blocked contacts on iPhone.